This is how to change Vercel node version. From your dashboard, select the project, then go to Settings, then go to Build and Deployment, scroll down, and you can see here node.js version. So just click this drop down and select a version. So we are using the latest. Let's try to change it to 22.x and just click save. Then we will redeploy our project. So let's go to deployments. Just click this three dots and just click redeploy and proceed to redeploy. Then let's go to deployment settings. And we can see here that we have changed the node version to 22.x. So this is how to change Vercel node version.